Ugh, I'm so ready for a hot shower.
Me too. We could wash up in the lake if we lived here. I bet it's not too cold.
Where would you poop, though? In the lake?
Oh, no. There might be snakes.
Or alligators. Yeah, everyone knows the UP is just crawling with alligators.
We probably listened to every CD in that case that summer. Hey, I'm all done. You guys ready to go?
I guess.
Yeah.
Say your full name and age for the camera. And, something about you.
I'm Nora. Malakian. I'm almost 17. Pretty sure I have acid saliva. Yeah, no one eats hard candy faster than me, I swear.
What do you do for fun?
You? Just kidding.
What are you making?
I wanted to make you something. It's like, a bracelet.
Oh.
Okay, so pick a charm. I've got rose quartz, lapis lazuli, or tiger's eye. The lapis lazuli kind of reminds me of you, but the others would look good too.
Lapis lazuli's definitely my favorite.
Oh, this is gonna look so cute on you.
What's this, gift for, anyways? It's not my birthday, you know?
I don't know. I just thought you'd like it. You'll never catch me in therapy. Linda tried, but she is so not my mom. Autumn says I provoke people because of my, quote, compulsive need for attention. Yeah, she took like one AP psych course and now thinks she's like Sigmund Freud.
So Linda's like a wicked stepmother?
Yeah. But in her own mind, she probably thinks she's like this hero for stepping in. My real mom's so not like that. She's not like a housewife.
Do you look like your mom? I bet she's pretty.
Are you saying I'm pretty?
Yeah.
We should take a road trip out west so she can meet you guys. I think she'd really dig you. I'm visiting my mom next month for my birthday. She's taking me to get a piercing. What do you think I should do? I was thinking my nose, maybe? Or maybe my lip. How crazy would that be?
Whoa. I like lip piercings.
Whoa, you're right. Lip piercings are kind of hot. I'm moving after graduation to the City of Angels. It's the only place to be for showbiz. One day, it's gonna be my poster up on some other girl's wall. And my music blasting on the radio.
Hey, when you're famous, promise you won't forget about me?
What? Duh. We're gonna be friends forever. Same with Kat and Autumn. So many people just, like, live these boring lives. And then they die, and, like, no one even remembers them. I'll remember you even after I die.
And... cut. Thanks, Nora.
You should hold on to this. It'll be worth something someday.
I guess I kinda did piss all over Nora's dreams of being rock stars someday.
Making it as a professional musician is hard. You were just looking out for her, right?
Yeah. I didn't want her to get her hopes up, only to have reality smack her in the face. She lost interest in music, I guess. She's like this big deal fashion influencer now. Something that summer lit a fire in her. I swear.
Famous. Just like she planned. Good for her.
Nora and I were so different. But I think that's part of what drew me to her. Sometimes I wish we could have stayed in touch. So seeing Bloom and Rage on the package brought back some memories. Remember our song? Will you indulge me for a minute? I had an idea.
Yeah. I wish I could remember our song. When I got here, seeing this place reminded me of it.
Me too. Maybe it's a bad idea, but I feel like we should write it down. Come over by me.
Sure. Excuse me?
So, where should we start?
Hey, follow me. I want to show you guys something.
Coming!
That's what she said.
We're close.
Where are we going?
You'll see.
I'm just glad it's close to Fawn's Rest. I don't want to get lost again.
Seriously.
So you said you found this place on the way here, right?
Yeah, I came out here early. Couldn't sleep.
Cool.
Come on, Swan. Hurry up. Almost there. sit with me. Okay. Swan, come here.
I don't get it.
Isn't this cool? There's something weird with these trees.
There's gotta be some explanation. Maybe there's something wrong with the soil?
But, like, what?
Aliens did it.
I wish.
No thanks.
I've been thinking, and I wanted to ask you guys something.
Yeah?
What is it?
Is it a secret? No one will hear you out here.
Have you ever wanted to, like, lay a curse on someone?
Yes. My stepmonster. Kidding. Kinda.
Who do you want to curse, Kat? Tell us.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Back when we met, when Corey was yelling at you, like, stupid fatso, or whatever, you looked scared.
I hate him.
I wanted to fucking curse him right there. For you? For...
I know what you mean.
He's pathetic. Picking on us like that? It was wrong.
Payback? Yeah. Listen, remember how I said I'd write us a song? It's done. It's a curse. Against all the shitbags who fucked with us. Let's sing it.
Our curse.
How did Kat put it?
Kat said
We deserve vengeance.
she had a way with words. It felt almost like an incantation.
I should have put up the red flag.
Wow. That was the first verse, wasn't it?
Yeah, but what came after that? Ugh. What was it?
I should have put up the red flag. That you would be a fucking drag. And then the next line's like, see you in hell. You'll fit in well. I'll make you scream, and you'll be under my spell. In hell.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's tight, Kat.
So sick. I have, like, chills.
Me too.
We have to seal the curse, though. Or it won't work.
How?
Do we have to, like, make a sacrifice or something?
Maybe.
Like this. Here.
Okay. Ow.
Now touch them together.
Here.
Seriously?
Yeah. You in?
No way. Sorry.
Suit yourself. Swan.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah. Let's seal this thing.
Wow.
We were so reckless back then.
I know. We were. So, take a look. I wrote it all down.
See you in hell.
Nora!
Fuck, that was a good song. How could I forget?
Hey,
Sorry I'm late. Holy
Wow.
shit. Look at you two. Remember me?
It's good to see you. How are you?
Whew, parched. I'm so ready for a good drink.
you look exactly the same.
Don't say that. I was such a mess when we were kids. Like
No way.
the skunk stripe hair and my skin. Ugh. That was a time.
Wow. This is kinda surreal.
God, I missed you too. But couldn't we have done this anywhere but
It's
here?
not like we've got a ton of options in Velvet Cove, Nor.
Even Milwaukee would have been fun. Just to go out and party together a bit.
I'm too old to bar hop.
Please. 50's the new 30, so 40's the new...
20? No, thanks.
I'm just happy you made it,
Same.
even if it's not the perfect place.
Ah.
Glad you came.
So, what's the scoop? Were you, talking shit about me?
Oh,
We're just
No.
going back through everything that happened that summer. Back in '95. Remember that package I texted you about?
Oh. I totally cannot until I've had a
Well-
drink. Or several.
Okay. No rush. Just get yourself settled.
Right. Yeah, let me just hit up the bar. I'll be right back.
It's done.
oh, my head was swimming.
Hold on.
I couldn't be her blood sister, but I felt like Kat would never forgive me if I didn't at least sign it.
This will make us stronger than ever.
See you in hell. You'll fit in well.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Wanna Sing it?
Here? I think we should go back to the cabin.
Oh, no, wait. I want to film you here. It'll look so cool in our music video.
Well, okay. I'll make you scream and you'll be under my spell. Inhale!
Go again. Swan, film it.
Nice. Countdown.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
See you in hell.
You'll fit in well. I'll make you scream and you'll be under my spell.
Alrighty. That works.
Say it again. You too, Swan.
See you in hell.
In hell.
Oh, seriously. This song is already pretty cool.
That was Fly!
Yeah.
Awesome!
That's it. Check this out.
There was still more.
Let's put on a concert.
More to Cat's curse.
Yes. Say what?
A concert? The concert.
Right?
Big dreams. Little girls.
We're Bloomin' Rage, and this first song is called I Fucked Your Mom! Hello? Just kidding.
Where?
How?
Nora's garage? Sure.
No way.
Oh.
Outside, where everyone can hear us. A real show.
We were so free. Until we made that promise.
Here we go. This round's on me.
Wow. Thanks.
I got you this, local soda thing, Swan. Is that okay?
Yep, you remembered. Still not much of a drinker.
Well, cheers.
What should we drink to?
Cheers. To us and making new memories.
Oh,
Cheers.
I love that. Cheers. So, about this, Pandora's box.
That's a good way to put it.
Can we wait on all that? I'm just not ready.
Well,
And let's talk about our lives now. I tried to stalk you guys online, obviously. I think I saw that you're in social work, Autumn?
Yeah.
You always said we wouldn't make it big, but I still never thought you'd leave music behind. You just loved it too much. And you were actually fucking good.
Remember when I interviewed you, Autumn? You never cared for fame. You wanted to do something that matters, right?
That's right.
But Swan, you're so hard to find online. I mean, your shit's on lockdown. Not that I blame you. Privacy is a hot commodity these days.
It is.
I'm living quietly out in Canada.
Do you, like it out there?
Yeah, it suits me.
So, you're still in California, Nora? I think I saw you started a clothing line?
Yep. My wife and I bought a house as soon as the panini hit. So, I've been running the business from home. Let me show you some pics.
Cool.
So, that's Melissa, my wife, and, here are the kids.
Aw, what a beautiful family.
Your wife looks lovely.
I know, right? I have no idea why she puts up with me.
She must be a saint.
Oh, and we just launched the new collection, here. This dress is to die for, right? Like, I literally want to be buried in it.
I think it's really lovely, Nora.
Thanks. I'm glad someone appreciates what I'm doing.
I was just teasing you, Nora.
We're thinking of adding a kids line next.
This one. Don't forget your phone. It's all charged if you want to come grab it.
Oh, that's me. Be back in a jiff.
Yeah,
So
she
does
said they all grew up here.
Yeah. That one that just showed up looks fancy.
Definitely not a townie.
How are you two doing?
Hey, Swan. The funniest thing just happened.
Pam thought she recognized your friend, and
I go to church with Mrs. Lockhart, Autumn's mom. We were just texting and she gave me the scoop.
Oh, wow.
so, just out of curiosity, why'd you leave this place? Was it school?
My dad got a job in Canada, so we moved. Nothing exciting.
Think you'll end up back here someday?
When you're old like us, is what she means.
I'm not sure I'd live here, but I'd come back here anytime for my friends. We haven't seen each other in years, but I'm starting to remember why we were so close.
Oh, that's wonderful. Say, did you girls ever see anything weird around these parts back in the day?
Oh, I don't remember. Sorry.
Don't worry about it.
Pam here's got a little hobby, investigating the supernatural. And she likes to rope me into her little ghost hunting adventures sometimes.
There's just been things around here that no one can explain.
She's got theories, like creatures or aliens or...
You gonna give me grief? Like all those guys?
Nah, I think it's fun.
You two make a good team.
She's the pro. I'm just a sidekick.
Oh, Gus.
Sounds like a blast.
Let me know if any of your girlfriends remember anything. Strange place, I tell you.
You bet.
Sorry. Don't let us keep you.
Oh, it's all right. Thanks again for letting me charge up.
Not a problem. How are things over at the library?
Oh, you know, more budget.
Can you believe we're the ones with kids now?
Hey, sorry. I'm back.
Hey.
Shit. Sorry. I gotta reply to this text.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. One sec.
So, how are you feeling, Nora? Isn't it weird being in Velvet Cove?
Ugh. It is weird. They haven't even developed it after all these years. But I'm more interested in you guys than this place. We haven't even spoken at all since you moved. Where'd you go again? Vancouver?
Yeah. Vancouver. We moved there in '95. I remember our adventures helped take my mind off of it. But whenever I wasn't with you guys, I was stuck helping pack up the house.
Swan, what are you doing? No going out until you pack that box.
Oh, I know!
I'll pack it, but then I really have to go. I can't pack you up yet, Moth Girl.
I haven't filmed you for my movie. Better late than never. else. I better tape up the box too, or she'll be pissed. I hate packing. Moving sucks.
I used to go to movie screenings with my wife sometimes, but it's been hard since we got our house. The drive is brutal.
The school there was way bigger than ours, of course.
Oh, you mean it didn't have a cafeteria slash gym slash theater?
Oh, the cafetorium. Tape around here somewhere. Time to feast. Should we get out your toy?
Can you believe she said that? Hold on just a sec. Swan, I can hear you on the line. I'm on the phone with Carol.
Oh, sorry.
Go pack up your things, honey.
I don't know if Snowy ever liked me.
Aw, of course he did. As much as he ever liked strangers, which was not much. I just gotta tape that box up. Oh, gotcha. Don't jump in the box, fluff butt, or you'll get taped up inside. I'm done, Mom. Can I go now?
See? Was that so hard? Yeah, fine, but don't be out too late.
I remember we'd always meet up at Fawn's Rest in the afternoon.
Wow. I forgot about that place. Remember our campfires on the shore? I bet rocks from our fire pit are still there. I almost want to see it, but it wouldn't be the same.
Hey, Swan. You didn't tell your folks about this place, right?
Yeah, what'd you tell him? Did you make something up?
Swan would never spill.
Even if they knew, they wouldn't be able to find us out here.
True. We're not exactly on the trail.
I told them we're camping. My mom's just happy I'm out with friends. And she saw me packing my gear, so...
That's what I told my mom, too. Gone enough times with my dad that she's not worried.
I told my parents I'm at Autumn's. But don't worry, they won't call. I told them your parents are out of town.
Gotcha. What'd you tell your parents, Kat?
Dylan and I made a deal. She was trying to sneak out to go to Corey's place. She's not supposed to spend the night, since they're not married. So, we lied and told our parents we're at our cousin's.
Oh.
What if they check?
My cousin's cool.
You made a deal with devil.
And I'd do it again. I want to tell you guys something. It's big. Guess what?
Tell us!
What?
Oh, spill.
So, there's this poetry contest, and the prize is 4 Bikini Kill tickets. I sent in our song.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Wouldn't that be sick?
Hell yes. Oh, you'll definitely win.
No doubt.
I don't know if I'll win, but I want us to go together if I do.
That'd be crazy. Let us know what happens.
Oh, we gotta find a way to go together. Even though I'll probably be in Vancouver by then.
Duh, you have to come.
Oh, road trip.
Hey, guys, where would you go? Like, if you could go anywhere in the world.
Oh, Perry. Just would have to avoid the mimes. They freak me out.
I've always wanted to go to Yosemite. I love waterfalls. Keep thinking, when I'm done with school, I could go see those places when they're not, like, full of tourists.
Oh, maybe we can all go together someday.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
I know we will. I miss long days and nights of doing absolutely nothing.
Okay. Enough nostalgia, Swan. What's your life like now? Any pics?
Oh, sure. One sec. Okay, so, pictures. Here's my goblin.
Aw, so cute.
Oh, he looks like your cat from way back when.
He's my best friend.
Aw.
What's his name?
Casper.
Cute.
Very you.
And I took this one on my last vacation. Oh, I went out to Yosemite for some solo hiking.
Solo? You went by yourself? That's crazy.
It's so Swan, though. You know that.
Yeah, but still, I'd be so bored on my own. And what if there was a snake or a bear?
I'm still not really a social butterfly. Haven't changed much, you know?
I totally get it, Swan. I wish I had more time to myself just to, like, think.
Yeah, that's fair.
And here's a picture of the Wren's Nook. It's where I work. I've spent so many hours curating our horse selection.
Nice. Makes me wish I had more time to read.
I'm more into podcasts these days.
I'll send you some books, Autumn. If you're looking to getting into reading some more.
Oh, you don't have to do that. They're heavy.
The paperbacks aren't so bad to ship.
I only ever get digital books nowadays.
Oh, yeah. I still collect knickknacks and stuff on my hikes. But now they're organized. Ta-da! I still find weird bones sometimes.
Goblin Core is totally trending.
What's Goblin Core exactly?
It's this. Like, girls who are really into the, nature and creepy shit.
Yeah. I don't think I have much else to share on here, really.